real character, results, your personality. These things are very, very important than show off. I told right, simplicity is the best argument. Simplicity is the best argument. Okay, I told, Array, if you are attending a session, a faculty came from Honda City car, full gold, all these things are there. I found out tip top like. Started, the teacher is coming like this, started teaching. What is teaching, you are not getting. But if another faculty came by just by walk, that person start teaching. What is explaining, everything you are getting. Day 2. Are you going to car wala classes or are you going to the walking wala classes?
Walking wala. Who explains
Walking
better?
person. What the reason is? Because the purpose where we are going to fulfill from this person. Okay, not so something like the car, full fast car, all these things are temporary show off. The people never going to give the importance, believe me. Okay, for show off kind of thing, don't do any activity. Your character is the ultimate thing for you people, right? Okay.